Turn it on. All right, get your hands wet and get some soap. Okay, get some soap. Use this soap, okay?
Oh, yes. Yes, to it. Oh, no, I can't do it.
You can do it. There. Perfect. All right, what do we count to?
2,
20.
4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, keep rubbing, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do you look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get the tops of your hands? Okay. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Whoa, let's try that again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. All right, we're gonna put this one in first.
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna. Ugh.
You did it.
I did. It's kind of goopy.
Yes.
This is a very ripe banana.
Yes.
Can you pull that out of there?
Okay.
And pull that peel.
Okay.
Whoa.
I will.
Yeah, put it over there.
Yes. Whoa.
Whoa. Now what do we do?
Now we bash it.
Let's mash it.
Mash. We're making our banana
We
bread.
are. We're making our banana bread. You know what, guys?
Yes.
Whoa. When I was a little girl,
Yes.
Nana used to make banana bread for me.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, and you know what?
Yes.
I bet that when Daddy was a little boy,
Yes.
Gigi would make banana bread for him.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, did
A
it?
lot of people in our family like banana bread, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, all right. Put it in. That's 2 bananas. Keep smashing them.
I'm mashing them.
You're doing so good. They're getting really smashed up. Can I do some smashing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my turn. Thanks for sharing with me, Gus. All right. Smash, 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 smash. Let's do some more. Here's the 3rd banana. Hey, can you keep that masher inside of the bowl, please? Thanks, Gus.
I'm making my banana bread.
And you are making the banana bread. It's so kind of you to make banana bread to share with our family. How do you think Daddy will feel when he gets to eat this banana bread?
Feel happy about it.
He'll feel happy about it. Do you think he'll feel loved?
Yes.
I think so too. Oh, smash it.
Slimy.
Slimy. It is slimy.
Slimy.
Would you eat these bananas just like this?
Mm-hmm.
You would?
I did.
Ooh.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat these bananas like this either.
No, it will be dirty.
And they would. I don't think they'd be dirty. It would just be really slimy.
Yeah.
And that's not how I like to eat things.
No.
It's not my favorite.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. I spoiled after that.
Mm-hmm. Wow, you're really smashing it in there.
Where's all the banana bread?
Well, we're making it, right? We gotta get our bananas ready first.
Where's our bananas?
Where are they?
They're in the dirt.
They're in the dirt? Our bananas are in the bowl.
Oh, yes.
All right, can I have a turn now?
Yes.
Thank you.
But I just need to on that top.
Here, I'm gonna smash it a little bit more. It's still my turn, okay?
But what about on that side?
Yeah, I'm gonna smash that side too.
Yes. I'm doing it.
Yeah, you are doing it. Okay, you know what I need help with now?
Yes.
I need you to get those banana peels into the garbage can.
Okay.
Where is our garbage can?
Where?
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, it's It's right over there. So I'm going to hang on to this, okay?
Yes.
And I'm going to let you
Yes.
put these banana peels in the bowl and then go dump it all in the garbage.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I did it.
Oh, you did it. Awesome work,
You
bud.
did it for that bowl.
What?
You did it for that bowl.
Yep. All right. So you can take this bowl, dump those banana peels right into that garbage can.
Well, yeah.
Wow.
I did.
That was really helpful. Thank you.
Did you make that happy?
That did make me feel happy.
Oh, yes.
How else do you think it made me feel?
Happy.
Happy and
What?
love. Guess what?
What?
We get to add more stuff to this now. So we have, here's our directions. So we put in bananas. Next we need to add in the eggs. Do you see where our eggs are?
What?
Where's our eggs? Look around at all of our ingredients up here. Do you see any eggs? On the counter. They're kind of hiding.
What?
You found them! Okay. All right, we're all done with this masher. Are you gonna help me crack them?
Yes.
Here.
I will hop on that side.
Yep, ready? We're gonna do a little crack. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 2 hands to crack it. Into the bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Another one.
Yep, we're gonna do the other one.
There we go.
We'll do it together, okay? Ready? 1, 2. The eggs are gone. You blended them into the bananas.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, next I'm going to check my ingredients and it says vanilla.
Oh, yes.
We need, how much vanilla?
How much?
Half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
This one's half a teaspoon. Can you hold, whoopsies. Can you hold this for me?
okay.
Okay, thank you. Hold it really careful. Don't drop it. All right, I'm going to pour it in and then you can dump it into the bowl. Okay, hold it right here. Okay, pour it into the bowl. Ooh. Do you want to smell it?
Yeah.
Does it smell spicy or does it smell sweet?
Sweet.
Yeah, I think it smells sweet too.
And what about this? This.
That's a big one for when we scoop our flour. All right, that needs to get mixed in too. Add in our sugar. Let's find out how much sugar we have. That's right, that is the sugar right there. It says sugar.
Yes.
Do you see an A on that package anywhere?
Yes, there.
That one's an A. You're right. A for Augustus.
Oh, yes,
A for Augustus, and A in the word sugar. You're going fast, and then what?
Whoa.
Slow, that's right. Fast. Fast. What? That's still slow. What's that? Fast. Gus, you know
Yes. Baking powder.
it. 1. 2. 3.
4.
4. That was really nice, Gus. Now we need salt. How much salt do we need?
What? So,
1/4.
1/4.
1/4 of salt.
1/4
Where is the salt? There it is.
Yes, there it is. Oh no, I can't do it because this is so strong.
It's very hard to do, huh? It's getting really thick. It's getting harder and harder.
It's big.
It's tricky.
No, it's big.
It's big.
Yes. It's big. I can't do it.
Oh, how do you feel?
a bit mad for it.
You feel a little bit mad about it. Do you feel frustrated?
No.
When I feel like I can't do something and I'm trying, it makes me feel frustrated.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't do it too.
Say, I feel frustrated.
I feel frustrated.
What could you do if you feel frustrated? Say, Mama, help me, please.
Mama, help me, please.
Okay, I'll help you. Ready?
Ready.
Here, let's stir together. Thank you.
Oh, I did it!
Yeah, I'm helping you. Are you still frustrated?
No.
No, you feel calm again?
Yeah.
Cool.